Wait, wait. Where are you going? Hold on. Are you about to waste your leftover bread from last night? First, watch this video. In Islam, wasting food isn't good. It's a sin. It tightens your provisions and Allah gets displeased. Our grandmothers used to say that night old roti is cool, and according to them, that roti resides through tree all night. So if overnight roti, one that resides through Sharif all night, is eaten, for us Muslim it's truly a blessing. Today's recipe uses that very roti. It's such a delicious sweet dish that anyone who tastes it will beg for rotis, even asking the neighbors for the leftovers. Let's try today's recipe. First, heat oil in a wok and deep fry the roti. Remember, deep fry, not shallow. Flip sides repeatedly until it's really crisp. When it turns golden brown and crunchy, set it aside. Do this with all the pieces and then let them cool. Do it one by one for every piece. Look at the difference between the colors. One that is not fried and the other that is fried till golden brown. Once it's completely done for all the pieces, cool them and then you have to dry them. Look at the color and the crunch. Once these are cooled, let them break with the help of your hands and grind them. The color, the crunch you can see in this video, you have to do the same. Now we are shifting it into a jar. Now showing after the grinding, such kind of powdered or coarse powdered form of roti is obtained. Doing with all the pieces. After grinding the pieces of the roti, we have to take that wok again and add milk as shown. Take milk, add sugar and heat it. After heating the milk, we have to add the roti. We have added the roti, the coarse powdered form of the roti. Then roast the ground mixture well on low heat for about 30 minutes. We have to keep on roasting it until it gets color. After roasting it for 30 minutes, the texture it gained it's like that. Meanwhile, when roasting it, chop all the dry fruits and keep them ready. When the mixture dries out and is nicely roasted, add the dry fruits and serve. For garnish, add dry fruits of your choice. And if you like my recipe, then like and subscribe, please.
يا من هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الرحمن الرحيم الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار